Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to give you some tips and techniques about computer, desktop or laptop. So without wasting any time, let's start. So the first thing, if we want to know the history of our files in Microsoft Word or in Microsoft Excel or in Office, which time we use or anybody use the files or in Microsoft Excel or in Microsoft Word or whatever. So how can we know it? So for this, we have to search run. We have to open the run command, and here we will write recent. So once we will write recent, so you can see now all the files in Microsoft Word, all the folders, everything. It's showing the videos, which time we open it or somebody open it, date and time with everything. The next step, if we want to bring the screenshot, yani if we need any screenshot in Photoshop or in Paintbrush, so how can we do it? Just we will press print screen button from our keyboard, and you can see in some computer it will give you like this, so we can select which area we have to print. Now it's already selected and we took the screenshot. In some computers, when you press print screen, it takes print screen, and now you will go to Photoshop or Paint or wherever you want. Now I open the new one and we will press Control V. So now you can see there is the screenshot, or you can go to edit and paste. So you can see that the screenshot is here, and now you can use, you can type or whatever you want. Suppose I write desktop screenshot. Okay,